Okay, so today I'm going to share this super easy mutton recipe which is spicy and tangy at the same time. This is my mom's authentic recipe which I love. Do give it a try and let me know how it was. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you don't miss anything. Let's start. On the low flame, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the pressure cooker. Then add 2 roughly chopped tomatoes, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 3 teaspoons of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now add mutton. I have taken 250 grams of mutton here and stir it well. Pressure cook it for around 5 to 7 whistles in the medium flame. The mutton and the tomatoes release water, so you don't need to add any amount of water. Check if the mutton has cooked. Now on low flame, keep stirring it until the sauce thickens. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes. You can add lemon if you want to, but it's completely optional. And finally, garnish it with a sprig of coriander and serve.